Hey there everyone, my name is Nathan and I'm the owner here at Minnesota Mobile Guide. If you're not already familiar with us, we're a business based here in the US state of Minnesota, but we assist clients from all over the world with all sorts of different issues and services on their smartphones, tablets, and other mobile devices. One of the services that our clients most frequently ask us to perform is the SIM unlocking of a device in order to be used with a different carrier than the one that originally sold it. By default, most mobile devices are going to come with some sort of lock that restricts them to only being used on the original provider, and they have to undergo some sort of unlock process in order to be used with a different carrier or a different network. Now, here with us today, we happen to have an LG Aristo 2. This one is from Metro PCS here in the US. And this is one that has not been SIM unlocked yet because, as we can see here on the screen, we have this network lock message that tells us the device needs to be unlocked in order to use the SIM card that we have inserted here. Now, as you might already be familiar with, Metro and also T-Mobile, since T-Mobile owns Metro, they stopped using the traditional unlock code mechanism several years ago, and instead now they control everything via this device unlock app that is preloaded on all of their Android devices. So that comes on all Metro and T-Mobile phones. So at first glance, there doesn't appear to be a way to get it done, because if we go ahead and open up the unlock app here, it'll tell us that it's locked. And then we need to continue to use their process to get it unlocked. But if we hit continue, we're going to get this error message. One second. I'm going to tap on permanent. Okay, so it says unlock failed. This mobile device is not eligible for unlock. So the carriers will only actually unlock it if you meet all of the requirements. So we've been contacted by plenty of people looking to have these devices unlocked where they didn't necessarily meet the requirements. And so we're making this video to let all of our customers know that we do offer a way to be able to get the device unlocked without having to go directly through the carrier. It's something that we do directly to the device using our computer programs and tools while it's plugged in via a USB cable. So that's actually exactly what I'm doing right here, right now. I'm running my unlock program on it, and once that finishes up in just a minute or so, we should be able to see that the phone does actually work and get registered on the SIM card that we have inserted. While that's finishing up, I'm going to go ahead and jump into the settings just to show you exactly what we're working with here. So under the About Phone section, we can see the phone name showing up as the LG Aristo 2. And then if I go under the Hardware Info section, there we go. So we can see the model number showing up as the X210MA. So that's the model number of the Metro PCS version of the Aristo 2. T-Mobile has their own version, and that one has a little bit different model number. But this one is definitely Metro. As we can see here again, it's got all of the Metro apps installed. It shows the Metro logo when it turns on and shuts off, things of that nature. So our unlock program here is just about finishing up running. It needs maybe 30 seconds more, and then we should be able to see that the phone can then restart and work on that SIM card that we have inserted here. Give it just a second to finish that up, and you can go ahead and skip to the end of the video if you want, because this will just take another minute or so. And then just as an indication that the device has not been unlocked already, we have the service provider locked message down there at the bottom, and then that shows in a couple other places too. So this is something that we're actually doing right here, right now, as proof that we can do it. No tricks going on here. And we're just about there. Okay, so it just wrapped up. It's going to go ahead and reboot itself here, so I can go ahead and unplug that. So we've got the LG logo here, of course. And next should come the Metro PCS symbol. There we go. Okay, so now that it's loading up, we should be able to see if we go ahead and swipe the lock screen. Whoops, let me pull that back up. Swipe the lock screen here. We do not have that network lock message with that white background that we were seeing before. So that's gone. So that's a great indication that the device has actually been SIM unlocked. So we're going to give it a second to kick in the signal bar there up top. And I'm just going to go ahead and jump into the settings where it'll show you the exact network information once it finishes registering here. And so under network information, we can now see that our network is showing as Cricket. Cricket's a prepaid provider here in the US that runs on AT&T's network. So this device is now able to be used on any AT&T carriers and also on T-Mobile. Since T-Mobile owns Metro, they're basically the exact same network. So those are the two networks that the device can be used on, and then it should also work internationally with any other carriers that are compatible. And then we also should show that we have the Cricket label there in the top corner on the lock screen so that we show that we are fully registered and the phone is working. So if you have a Metro PCS LG Aristo 2 and would like to get it SIM unlocked, we would love to help you out with that, so go ahead and get in touch with us. All of our contact information will be right down in the video description, and I'll also put a slide at the end of the video here that has all the info there as well. While you're here, make sure to check out all the other videos that we have on our channel, as we offer a lot of different services for a lot of different devices, and I'm sure you'll find something there that could come in handy someday. Make sure to hit the subscribe button while you're there also to be notified of all the new videos that we're constantly putting up, just like this one. Y para todos los hispanohablantes, nosotros también hablamos español, así que ustedes nos pueden contactar sin duda. Thanks for watching, everyone, and have a great day.